question, can you calculate 47 squared in your head in just a few seconds? Most people would start doing 47 times 47. But what if you didn't have to multiply 47 by 47 at all? There's a simple idea that lets you square almost any two-digit number mentally. And once you understand why it works, you'll see that these aren't really tricks at all. Let's start with 47 squared. 47 is close to 50. It's just 50 minus 3. So instead of calculating 47 squared directly, use a minus b the whole squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Here a equals 50 and b equals 3. So 47 squared equals 50 squared minus 2 times 50 times 3 plus 3 squared equals 2,500 minus 300 plus 9 equals 2,209. That's it. We replace the difficult square of 47 with the much easier square of 50. And that's the key idea. Find an easy number nearby, then adjust for the difference. If you like maths tricks that actually explain why they work, subscribe to Maths Instinct. That's exactly what we're building here. Now let's move closer to 100. Try 97 squared. 97 is only 3 away from 100. So 97 equals 100 minus 3. Using the same identity, 97 squared equals 100 squared minus 2 times 100 times 3 plus 3 squared equals 10,000 minus 600 plus 9 equals 9,409. And because our easy number is 100, there's an even faster way to do it mentally. Take the difference. 100 minus 97 equals 3. Then 97 minus 3 equals 94. And 3 squared equals 09. Put them together. 94 and 09. 9,409. Same mathematics. We're just using the structure to calculate it faster. If that made the trick click for you, give this video a like. It helps me know that these intuition-based explanations are useful. But what about a number like 68? 68 isn't particularly close to 100, but look at 70. 68 is 70 minus 2, so 68 squared equals 70 squared minus 2 times 70 times 2 plus 2 squared equals 4,900 minus 280 plus 4 equals 4,624. Notice what's happening. The trick isn't really about 50 or 100, it's about finding an easy number nearby. And sometimes you should add instead of subtract. Try 43 squared. 43 is close to 40. And this time, 43 equals 40 plus 3. So we use a plus b the whole squared equals a squared plus 2 ab plus b squared. Therefore, 43 squared equals 40 squared plus 2 times 40 times 3 plus 3 squared equals 1,600 plus 240 plus 9 equals 1,849. Same idea again. You simply chose a nearby number that was easier to square. So what's the actual trick? When you see a two-digit number, don't immediately multiply it by itself. First ask, what easy number is nearby? For 47, 50 minus 3. For 68, 70 minus 2. For 97, 100 minus 3. For 43, 40 plus 3. Then use the appropriate identity, a minus b the whole squared or a plus b the whole squared. And that's why you don't need a separate trick for every number. One special case. For numbers ending in 5, there's an even more elegant way to do it. For example, 75 squared can be calculated with a very simple shortcut, and there's actually a reason why that shortcut works. You can watch that explanation in the video shown here. The link is given in the description and in the pinned comment. Let's see if you have got it. What's 87 squared? No calculator. Use the trick you just learned. Comment your answer below. I'll reveal the answer in the pinned comment. The bigger idea. This isn't really a collection of mental maths tricks. It's one mathematical idea. Change the number into something easier to work with. That's why the same identity can handle 47, 68, 97, 43, and almost any other two-digit number. And once you understand the pattern, the calculation becomes the easy part. Don't memorize maths, build intuition. If you want more of these, the kind of mental math moves that make you look like you're doing something impossible in your head, you're in the right place. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.